Welcome, Bluesonik channel today going to show your Hotflame for burner stove designed for strong performance, durability, and convenience in everyday cooking. The heavy grill provides better support for large pots and heavy cookware, while the 4 burners allow you to cook multiple meals at the same time. This model is ideal for home kitchens because it combines a sturdy heavy grill with 4 efficient burners and a roomy oven. It is built for daily cooking and supports smooth movement of heavy pots between burners. It's come with foot as well to come high big. This stove is a good option for smaller kitchens while still offering strong burner performance and durable grill support.